Many years ago, a young man named AJ Van Rixtor embarked on a wondrous journey. The year was 2012. Okay, yeah, so it's not as old as I was making it out with the whole black and white thing, but 7 years is still a long time, right? Anyway, 2012, I went on a voyage. Not a voyage, a journey. A writing journey. I started a trilogy called A Collision of Worlds. I started with the first book, released in 2014, called Collision of Worlds. But yeah, I was kind of getting the idea of trilogy names and things like that. Then, in 2017, I released the second book in that trilogy, titled The Immortal Princesses. And in 2018, I've managed to keep my promise at the end of the afterword of releasing it in 2018, early 2019. I've written it, I've edited it, and I have done the front cover. And here it is, A Collision of Worlds, The Tears of Siren's Sacrifice. It will be available. There'll be another video for that later on in the year. Cheerio for now. Bye. Feels weird ending it by saying cheerio for now. When do I ever say cheerio for now? Like, Ta-ra.